This video is about how to change your public playlist into private playlist on YouTube. Okay, let's see. On your PC, open any browser and click here. Then click YouTube. Then click your channel logo. Now YouTube Studio. Yeah. Here just click playlist. Okay. Actually now we are going to convert our already created playlist to private. If you want to know about how to create delete playlist, watch this video. A complete tutorial about YouTube playlist. Okay. Now just open the playlist you want to convert private. Yeah. Here you can see this playlist visibility was public. To convert as private, just click this little arrow. Now you can see these options. If you choose unlisted, anyone with this playlist link can view the videos. If you choose private, it's completely private. Only you can view these videos. For now, I just click private. That's it. Let's check that. Refresh the page. Yeah, now it's private. Likewise, you can change any YouTube playlist to private or unlisted. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.